Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's been about 4 days since I've shot a brand new video for you guys today. I wanted to do that today, and I wanted to talk about my absence, why I've been so absent in the past few days. Been working on a lot of awesome things for my followers, my subscribers. You know, this mission of this channel is really about helping, you guys succeed at a faster rate. If I could just get you to achieve that first result as fast as possible, then you're more than likely going to stick around a lot longer and achieve more results and go full time with affiliate marketing. The problem with a lot of people is if they don't get the results that they want in a couple weeks or a couple months, they just quit and say it doesn't work. So I want to supply that hope by allowing you to copy myself and inject myself inside of your business. So we're gonna be getting into detail in this video about what I've been working on for the past few days, why I've been absent. But this is the second time I'm actually shooting this video. And man, I love the first video. It was like 15 minutes long and everything went well, explained everything that I needed to explain. But guess what happened? The audio was far behind because I was testing this brand new Osmo Plus. Thought this was going to be a good business investment. Got it from Best Buy for about 750 bucks. I liked it because I didn't have to worry about walking around with an iPhone like this, and then my arm eventually gets tired, and that's why I sit down like this. So I'll probably get a gimbal, but it's not going to be that one right there. So we're going to give this another go for you guys. So why have I been absent the past few days? Well, I've been in the background working on how I can take my business to $100,000 a month and also duplicate myself on you guys. Those of you guys that are on my teams that have joined me in different programs and different systems. A lot of you guys are struggling with the fact that you do not want to do videos, you don't want to be on camera, you don't have experience in your niche. It requires a lot of courage. It requires a journey of finding your voice. There's a lot of things that go into being good on video. And I'm still working every single day on becoming better, and I've been doing this for about 5 years. So everybody can do it. It's just the first 20 videos are just gonna suck, and you have to get through them, and you have to have the courage and the tenacity to jump off the edge and know that someone's gonna catch you on the way down and you're going to get better. But most people don't get to that stage. They tend to join a business for a couple weeks or a couple months and they quit. And so what I wanna do is I wanna provide those results well before you even believe in yourself, well before you even know that it's possible to make money online. So I provided some things. I provided my done-for-you materials, my content, my emails. I've taught you guys how to use and leverage YouTube to create traffic and create sales. A lot of you guys, most of you guys haven't implemented any of that because of the fear, the anxiety, all that stuff that goes along with, putting yourself out there, and I completely understand. I've kind of taken care of the traffic portion. That's the biggest problem is, number one, doing videos. And that also is not just doing videos, but generating traffic. And I generate traffic through videos, right? And so I have my traffic rotator for people on my team. And what it does is it rotates between everybody on my team and sends them traffic from YouTube, from the traffic that I'm generating. So they get a portion of my traffic. And I just had a student, Lauren Alonzo, she generated her first $500 commission within just a couple weeks, which is pretty awesome. But that traffic rotator is limited, right? Once it's completed the amount of clicks for that specific individual, it moves on to the next person. So an extra $500 is great, but you want to be generating $500 on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, whatever your goals are. And so how can I help you do that? And that's where paid advertising comes into play. And I've been working on paid advertising and YouTube ads for quite some time, so I can not only scale my business, but help you scale your business. A lot of people don't talk about this that are in the affiliate marketing space, but when you're making 50, 60 grand a month, that doesn't last. A lot of gurus you see out there, you think that they're consistently making that money per month. And the truth is that they're not. That's just the nature of affiliate marketing is your income goes up up, it goes down. It goes up and it goes down. So the question becomes, why does that happen? Well, it's hard to scale affiliate marketing because of the profit margins. When you're only getting 30, 40, 50% commissions, you only have so much room to work with when it comes to paid advertising. And so it's harder to scale. And so that's why high ticket is so much better. So the recent program that I've been promoting, you get 100% commissions. You just pay an admin fee. So I'm like, this is a program I could really achieve scale with. I can scale this thing. And so the past, few years to what led up to today, I'm pretty sure I'm about 99% of the way there. And what's so cool about this process is I'm going to be able to take it and duplicate it on my team, duplicate it on other people using my brand, using my name, and without having them to go out there and slowly, organically build up a subscriber base and build up traffic and, have to go through that process of learning a bunch of new skill sets. But if I can give you the training wheels and I can help you get your first results, you're going to believe in the process more. You're going to have more confidence in the program that you're promoting, and you're going to be more okay with jumping on video and giving value, inside of your channel. And so that is the overall goal of what I want you to accomplish. I want you to be independent. I don't want to enable you, but I want to show you that this thing freaking works. And I've seen it work on so many people. And I've seen a lot of people that it hasn't worked on. If they just stuck around for a few more weeks, a few more days, they would have seen that. And sometimes I just want success more than what people want for themselves. And so, because I care about people so much and I care about their success, I want to create a process that can be fully duplicatable. Now, not every process will be duplicatable on an infinite number of people. That doesn't exist. That's why you see a lot of gurus that don't give away their secrets. What they'll do is they'll, show you a process, but they won't show you exactly how they're doing it step by step because that will allow for saturation. And that's why a lot of people are failing, is because these gurus are talking theory and they're going around in circles, but they're not really showing exactly what they're doing. So what I do is I show what I'm doing, but I will apply it to like a different business and not my own. So you can still see it, but that way I'm not giving away everything that I'm doing, because again, it's going to allow for saturation and it's going to get saturated. My review process that I show people, a lot of people are starting to know about that. There's still plenty of room for more, but what I really want to do is find something that's been untapped, that's new, that's fresh. With YouTube ads, most people are still on Facebook. They're dealing with the rising costs in Facebook. They're not over on YouTube. And so my thinking is this is going to be something that's pretty big, but I'm not going to show you exactly what I'm doing until we get to a point where I know for 100% certain that this can be duplicatable. Now, again, I've been testing it. I've been testing different variations. So part of it works. The other part I'm still doing some work on. So, a lot of you guys want to learn more about YouTube advertising. I will show you more about YouTube advertising and doing paid ads and why I'm scaling with paid ads. You guys might be thinking, well, why don't you just create more organic videos? Organic's great. And for the past, 5 years, I've been uploading videos. I still have videos that I created 5 years ago that are making money for me today. But with the way that YouTube algorithm is working, it's not about subscribers. A lot of you guys still think it's about getting subscribers. It's not about getting more subscribers. Most of your subscribers, probably less than 10%, will actually see your videos. And here's why. If you're interested right now about watching videos that are like police car chases, for example, and you start watching videos about that, you're going to see more videos on the home page and on the watch page of YouTube that are related to the videos that you watch. So if you subscribe to me one day, but you're more interested in something else the next day, you're going to see more of those videos versus mine. The reason for this is it helps YouTube make more money because it keeps you on the platform longer, because it's giving you more of what you already want. Now, I still, consistently generate at least 30 to 40 leads a day, But if I'm uploading videos every single day, I'm getting consistent sales every day and my leads are going up drastically, but I don't want to have to, upload videos every single day, I want to be able to upload videos when I want to, when I feel inspired. That's when I want to upload videos because that's when I'm going to give you guys the best content. So that's the reason for me really scaling up my business, is to free myself from having to upload consistent content. And I went through a phase, I think back in June or July, where I got burnt out from having to upload content so much. And so the 1 to 2 hours a day of, creating content and uploading it, not a lot of work, right? But over time, that can definitely burn you out and you got to reset and start again. So every time I've stopped uploading content, I've noticed my income slightly go down. So that's another reason yo-yo income. It's the program. It's how consistently you're taking action. And it's, are you doing paid advertising? Most affiliate marketers don't know how to do paid advertising. That's why they're doing affiliate marketing. If they were doing, selling their own products, they would need to learn, more paid advertising. But affiliate marketers tend to be a little bit more lazy too as well. So that's what I've been working on. And if you want access to all this stuff, right? Again, everybody that's on my team gets access to my whole entire business, all my emails, my funnels. I'll teach you my paid traffic method once I prove this thing to work. You'll get access to the traffic rotator so you can start generating your first few sales, your first few leads. So if you want to be a part of my team, if you want to be a part of this movement, we've got tons of success stories, obviously, in our Facebook group, and they're growing by the day. Lauren, for example, our first $500 sale. We got Karen, who's been on my team for some time, started mentoring her back in June. And, she's almost about $10,000 a month. And it took her a little bit to really take video marketing seriously and go for it. But again, my goal is to remove those obstacles when it comes to marketing as much as possible, which is why I'm, really going in and I'm mastering this paid advertising strategy so I can duplicate on you guys without you having to do any videos whatsoever. So how would you like that? That'd be pretty cool, right? If you would, click the link below, join my team, check out the bonuses if you see fit. If not, hope you enjoy my content. You continue to enjoy my content. I hope you get more from my thinking, the way that I think, the way that I, look at my business and the way that I strategize, more than like tactics, more than like what color you should use on a capture page or how many email follow-ups you should have. While those are important, what's most important is how you look at your business from a 30,000 foot perspective and how you think about your next move. And hopefully you guys are getting some of that because that's the most important stuff. So hope you got value. If you did, subscribe, comment, like this video, and don't forget to check out my top recommended system below, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.